How to save on auto insurance properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Saving on auto insurance is more than just picking the cheapest plan. The surprising truth is, most beginners make mistakes that end up costing more in the long run. The first mistake is failing to compare multiple quotes. Rates vary widely between insurers, even for the same coverage. Using at least 3 comparison tools ensures you find the best price for your needs. Another common error is ignoring available discounts. Good student discounts, safe driving incentives, and bundling policies can lower premiums significantly. Many drivers skip these and overpay without realizing it. Many people also make the mistake of choosing only state minimum coverage. While it saves money upfront, it can leave you vulnerable to large out-of-pocket expenses after an accident. Evaluate your coverage needs carefully. A surprising mistake is not adjusting your policy for lifestyle changes. Moving, driving less, or installing safety devices can reduce your premium. Failing to update your insurer costs you unnecessary money. Finally, beginners often overlook payment options. Some insurers offer lower annual payments or automatic payment discounts. Taking advantage of these can save both time and money. To properly save on auto insurance, compare quotes, apply discounts, select appropriate coverage, update your policy for changes, and review payment options. Following these steps maximizes savings without sacrificing protection.